Today is Saturday and there's a blizzard happening outside. I have to go outside in that right now, so I am not a happy camper. Oh my god, I can't even see the steps. Where's the step? Oh my god. Help. Oh my god. Oh god, help. Nothing but quality content on this channel. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't see. This is just hilarious now. Oh god. I can't even walk. So I'm halfway to the train station right now, and this is what my pants look like right now. Woo! Good times. This is fun. This is such fun. Such fun. Such fun. Just keep telling yourself that over and over again. Such fun. Such fun. Such fun. Yay! I made it to work! Yay! I look and feel like a drowned rat right now. Meanwhile, I looked around on the train and everybody else was completely dry. Like, it was a typical sunny day in the winter, like there wasn't a blizzard happening outside, and I was covered head to toe in wet. I look so beautiful right now. Ugh. Anyway, hi! I'm at work right now. I guess I'll keep you updated on the progress of my day, but basically I'm at work all day, so that's not going to be very exciting. But if we should close, I'll let you know. Meanwhile, I have absolutely nothing else to vlog about, so I'm just going to eat an apple. This is how we feel about working in blizzards. Yay! There are Oreos! This day just got better! So, update, I just found out that all of the Starbucks are closed except for one in Times Square. So you know it's a big deal when Starbucks is closed. But meanwhile, I'm still here at work. Just found out that work is canceled! Going home. Well, do we still get paid for that?
Yeah. Yes, we do. Union.
Alright, now after all of that, I get to go home. So let's do this again, shall we? I'm afraid to look up right now because the snow keeps going into my eyes. So I can't see what I'm doing. I'm so tired. Yay, I made it home. Oh, hey, guess who's back home 3 hours after going to work? This chick. I'm actually not that upset about it because I get the entire day off from work, and I probably would have been stuck in the city because last I heard they were shutting down roads, they were shutting down train stations, so I'll take it. It's fine. Not gonna lie though, I do kind of wish that my job didn't shut down because that would have made for hilarious content to watch the drama ensue of me most likely getting stuck in the city. It would have been YouTube gold. But other than that, I survived the blizzard of 2016! Yay! And yes, I am filming in my bathroom right now, and you can probably hear what's going on outside with the people shoveling. The walls in my bedroom are very thin and I didn't want my roommate to hear me talk. But yeah, I get a free day off from work, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna go lay in my bed and Netflix and defrost. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're enduring the snow as well, tell me how you are handling it and how much alcohol you drank. Take care, guys. I will see you next time. Hopefully much drier than I have been. Bye.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.